Hello friends, this is Nifty monthly chart. I connecting the trend line, sloping trend line. You see I am connecting the sloping trend line. This is the October 2018 low in monthly chart. This candle. And this candle, this is the July 2019 low. I am connecting these two lows, the trend line. You see the trend line broken here. This candle, big candle. March 2020 it broken the low. It holding the trend line from October 2018 to February 2020. Nearly 1.5 year it holding the trend line, monthly trend line. It broken this trend line on March 2020 due to Corona, whatever the news it may be. But it cuts the trend line. It cuts the trend line only, it becomes a huge fall. Nearly about 4,000 points, 4,500 points fall. But you can see, it cuts the trend line only, it gives the big sell-off. That means monthly trend line is most important. This trend line is the support for last 1.5 years. From October 2018 to 2020 February. So this support becomes resistance now. Now the price is moving to touch the same level, 11,400 levels. Before the coronavirus market falls from this level only, 11,400 levels. So it again touch the same level. You can see it touches the trend line. This trend line now becomes the resistance. Earlier it was support, now it becomes resistance. You see last month it tried to go above the trend line, but it is rejected. It exactly touches the trend line and rejected. It closes below the trend line. Now this month also you can see it touches the trend line. Now the date is almost third, we are in the third week. So maybe in another 1 week we have the time for this monthly chart. I think this month also it will close below the trend line. It touches the trend line, it closes below the trend line. That means what it indicates? Rejection, trend line rejection. You can see this is the, as per Elliott wave, this 12,400 levels peak happened. 2020 peak happened, that is the fifth wave high as per Elliott wave. After fifth wave the corrective wave happened. In corrective wave we have ABC pattern. This is the A wave. The big sell off happened, that is the A wave. Now the retracement B wave is going on. The B wave touches the trend line again. Again this trend line rejection means what will happen? Next C wave will going to start. In corrective wave ABC, C wave is going to start. Once C wave going to start, it starts means a big sell off will happen like A wave. C wave is equal or bigger than the A wave. It is the rule of Elliott wave theory. So A wave gives a big sell off means C wave also will give similar to that sell off. That means again it will touch 7,500 levels, or it can broke the 7,500 levels also, 7,300, 7,200. That type of levels is very much possible because the C wave is a super wave. That means it gives very fast and furious. So according to me, this is the right time to exit long positions, what we have long positions, try to book profits in long position. If you want, you can sell some positions, or you can avoid longs in this level, because this is a trend line rejection level. So I'm expecting a big fall. You can see this is the 50-day moving average in monthly chart, EMA, 50 EMA, that is around 10,150 levels. So if trend line rejection, immediately we can see this level 10,150, 10,200 levels in next 10-15 trading days, and this 7,500 levels we can see in another next maximum 2 months time period. We can see the levels, maybe October end or November first week we can see the 7,500 levels in Nifty. I will show you the weekly chart. Weekly chart also you can see last 4-5 weeks it's struggling at the trend line. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last 5 weeks it's struggling at the trend line, but unable to cross the trend line. Market is not favor for bulls now. So this is my analysis, and disclaimer, I am not the SEBI analyst or advisor. So if you want to take any position, means you can ask your advisor or analyst. I am not responsible for any loss or damage for your positions. Thank you friends. If you like this video, you can share, like and comment, and please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you. I will keep on posting some good videos for you for educational purpose. Thank you friends.